they have Monster High, Monster Ball, Clawdeen Wolf. Of course they have more tape on it where I can't get into it easily. Okay, semi getting into this easier than I did Dracula. Semi. Ooh. I hope I didn't cut her hair since it was the way it was set up. Ooh, I like the pink and purple in her hair. I don't think she has that on any of the other ones. I could be wrong, but I don't recall seeing the pink and purple in this. I just recall seeing it being just brown. I think I see gold in there too. Makes me wonder what Laguna looks like. Okay. This one opens, just like Dracula's Heart one did. And you have the crescent moon there. I do like that. And then her picture that has her, Dracula, and Laguna. Again, I cannot find that Laguna. At least it's not at the Walmart that I shop at, unless it's exclusive somewhere else. Maybe I just go on Amazon and get it. Maybe. Once I get the money. But there we go. And I do like the little disco ball that says Clawdeen Wolf. I like her balloons though. Or the balloons she comes with. Star, moon, and the Monster High skull. Which I know probably has a name to it, but I just don't know it. The way they're attached to sticks, it looks like. And you have the donuts that do not remove, but they look like they do. It's kind of cool. You have her with a plate of donut that again does not come off, and her little Monster High skull makeup thing that comes open, but I just can't pop it open. Then there's Clawdeen out of the bag and stuff. Trying not to cut her hair whenever I do this. There it goes. So yeah, I love the pink and purple mix in her hair here with the little gold glitter is what I'm going to call it. I'm sure there's another term for it, but we're going to go with, I'm going to go with glitter in her hair. And I like the way that she's not in a dress like Draculaura is. And Cleo. In her little bow tie I just took off. Yeah, her bow tie. That was being held on by this that I cannot, there it goes. So yeah, this is Clawdeen. I love her purple and gold outfit here, and if you wanted to take off the coat, you could. And then she'd just be in a tank top. I don't know. I think I kind of like Draculaura a little better between the two. What y'all think? But yeah, I like I don't know if I said that, but I do like Draculaura's blue in her hair life. So, yes, so this was Monster High. Oh, I just noticed that she has moons on her foot there. In the fur. And the little spikes on her heels. And the moon on the side. And the moon down the side here. But yes, so that was Monster High Monster Ball, Clawdeen Wolf. I'll catch y'all next time with the next video I do.